Okay, for my chicken frittata, I use some AP flour. I'm just going to put, and I put some salt. I seasoned it well with salt and some pepper. Here's some pepper, white pepper too. I put some white pepper in there. I put regular pepper, and I put some sea salt. Yeah, a lot of people ask me why don't you use kosher, because sea salt, I figure it's healthier. Kosher salt's okay, but I don't know. I don't know about kosher salt. I like the sea salt. I don't have to use that much salt. With the kosher salt, you have to put tons of salt in there. Anyways, I like sea salt, so I'm going to use what I like. You could use kosher. Kosher's cool. I mean, yeah, it's what we learned to use in culinary. But a lot of people that I know who ate kosher, they've died. Cancer, I don't know. Anyway, so, okay. So, I'm not going to use kosher. Sorry. I'm going to use sea salt. And I don't have to use that much. So, I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Should be hotter than that. Okay? So, basically, you cook it after you pound the mess out of it. I pound it pretty well. And I'm going to go ahead and French this stuff in. And you know, the nice thing about this, you can, you know, if you have too much flour, which I do have a lot of flour in here. And you're going to cook it. You're not going to cook it all the way because you're going to make a sauce and you're going to put the chicken in there, whatever. So, you can freeze the flour. Do not discard the flour for later use. You could freeze it, mark it, freeze it, put it in the freezer. Okay? So there you have it. Of that. And then I'm going to put another one. Yeah, Peaches, she's regressed. Since I've taken her out and about, she's like regressed and went potty all over the place, pooped and peed in my room. And I'm like, what the heck's wrong with you? And then she went outside and pooped and peed. It's like she's got like ADD or something. Besides being wild, I take her out all the time. People ask me, don't you take her out? Yes, I do take out Peaches. So now I have to put some pads on there, see? See? You have to have pads now. Because she's regressed. I don't know why. I'm thinking maybe because last year she was in a cast for so long. So, okay, so I'm going to lower this. I'm going to turn this over. So I've been wanting to make this for so long. Ooh, look at that. That's nice, huh? Yeah, I got a cast iron. I got a stainless steel on that. Let's see what color it gives me. It's pretty much the same color. The difference between the cast iron and the stainless steel is cast iron gives you natural iron. Excuse me. Oh, that's pepper. And it's really good for you. Anyways, I like the cast iron skillet. And I think those are my favorite too. Cast iron skillet and the wok. But I do like my stainless steel, well, 3. The guy that talks about them, and he talks about our American made pans. Whatever. I'm going to use my cast iron, that, and my wok. Yeah, my wok. I need to replace my wok. Look at that wok. It's worn out. I think at one time it was non-stick and now it's not. So, or maybe I could probably just re-season it, and it's a good wok. Whatever. But okay, so I'm going to finish cooking this and then I'll show you on the next clip what to do next. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.